strategic thinking is becoming more important than ever before. Why? Because the strategic landscape is moving faster than ever before. The challenge for leaders is to embed the skills to be an effective strategic thinker into their daily day-to-day work. In our 2-day workshop, Strategic Thinking for Leaders, you discover at the macro level how to ensure your organization is constantly strategic thinking, as well as at the micro level how you personally can embed the strategic thinking skills. For example, how can you preempt what's going to happen tomorrow? How do you sustain your organization's competitiveness? How do you maintain an agile business model? And how can you become a better strategic thinker in a digital world? The workshop is packed with use cases, neuroscience, examples, videos, and best practices from top performing organizations and thinkers around the world. And it's what makes the course come alive.